Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix screen freeze on your Android device. So first thing first, you have to try and force restart your device. For that, you will have to hold your power key and your volume down key for at least 10 to 15 seconds, and the device will restart itself. For the method second, head over to your settings. You will see a top search bar. Tap onto it and type in storage. You will see storage under device care. If your phone has a lot of unnecessary applications and other images, videos, this also causes freezing. So go ahead and delete everything from recycle bin if you don't need it. Delete any unused apps or any duplicate files. Now for the thought method, you may go ahead and boot in safe mode. Now for that, you can go ahead, hold your power button until the power menu appears and then select power off until the reboot to safe mode appears. And once done, you're going to have to tap OK and the phone will work fine in safe mode. Uninstall recently installed apps, and this is how you can fix the problem. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.